Hello, my name is Daniela Gonzalez, and today's PowerPoint is going to be on Head Start, Early Head Start, and the agency that I have picked is Harris County Department of Education, on the developmental stage of conception through toddlerhood, 6 weeks, 3 years old. So the purpose of this program is the Head Start and Early Head Start program enrolls over 1,300 students and offers a minimum of 10-hour services a day. Each student who qualifies for the program will receive free healthy meals, which include breakfast, lunch, and snack. Each student will benefit from nutrition and developmental screenings, which include vision, hearing, indoor-outdoor environmental play. Furthermore, this program follows the Frog Street Press curriculum, and it is a program approved by the Texas Educational Agency. So what can Head Start, Early Head Start offer your family? Head Start families receive assistance from a family service provider who help meet a specific goal they have set for themselves and assist families with case management services to ensure the health and well-being of their students. Head Start Early Head Start is a school readiness program and has a well-child schedule for families. This program makes every effort to work with families to ensure that children receive vaccinations, a dental checkup twice a year, and a physical exam once a year. Further, the program also provides referrals and help families connect with community resources, for example, GED or high school diploma, job trainings, domestic violence, abuse, or counseling services. They also could receive food and or other emergency. To be continued, what can Head Start offer your family? In addition to family support, Head Start and Early Head Start works to strengthen parental participation at home, at school, and in the community. This program offers parental meetings and literacy activities where families can learn new and thrilling experiences. The program may volunteer opportunities such as helping in the classrooms, assume leadership roles in the policy council committee or parent committee, and home at school calendars. By volunteering this way, parents improve school readiness for children, raise their self-confidence, advocate for their children, themselves, and other parents. So why is the program necessary and appropriate for the developmental stage of conception through toddlerhood? The Division of Head Start and Early Head Start of Harris County Department of Education help more than 1,500 students a day. Far too many students who enroll in school enter unprepared and in fact fall behind. Head Start Early Head Start is a school readiness program who succeeds for academical success and strive to provide children and their families the skills they need to be ready for the demand of school. Harris County of Education works with income-eligible children and children with special needs disabilities and help them achieve. Head Start supports all learners, especially those with disabilities. The program has an education and special services team who provide professional trainings to teaching staff inside the classroom, and they also mentor assistant managers. Furthermore, the ESS team will do follow-ups, home visits, parent-teacher conference, ongoing assessments, and further additional support through a referral process. So I will be explaining the expected outcome from Head Start and Early Head Start, and I will be providing at least one method I will use to assess the outcome. So Head Start is consistent with prior literature. Children who attend Head Start have higher chances of attending high school, graduating from college, and or receiving a license or certification. Head Start helps with social, emotional, and behavioral development, which helps at adulthood. Some examples are self-control, self-esteem, and positive parenting practices. Furthermore, Head Start increases parenting practices to mothers that did not attend high school and or did not receive a diploma in comparison to those with children who attended a preschool rather than Head Start. Well, the method that I will use, an established method, is I will see the effect of Head Start in children compared to children who attended Head Start and had siblings who went to either a different type of preschool or did not attend any program at all. So, the developmental theory that applies to this program and the particular group is cognitive development is important for children in the stage of conception through toddlerhood. Research has found that cognitive development at this stage from the essential necessary to prepare for children for preschool. It is important for parents to nurture their children right from birth. One study provided evidence that children's cognitive development between the ages of 0 to 3 years old showed delayed development, which will likely continue throughout preschool with low stages of skills. According to the Texas Health and Human Services in 2018, a total of 6,678 of Harris County children ages from birth to 3 received services through an early childhood intervention. The American Community Survey estimates that as of 2018, 23,761 children under the age of 5 are in Harris County Department of Education service area, are estimated to be living below poverty, and are therefore eligible for Head Start and early Head Start services. Head Start services are delivered nationwide through 1,600 agencies, which tailor the federal program to the local needs of families in their service area. URSIA reviews in the year of 2016 and 2017 the review outcome for the grant. Their overall findings was 99.2% were in compliance and 72.2% were in target range. So based off this research, I will evaluate the research and support the success of the program and how these modifications would improve the program. So one of them that ranked number 1 regarding the URSIA review stated that only one grantee of the 133 grantees that received an URSIA review had an URSIA finding in 2017. It had an area of non-compliance for recruitment and enrollment of children with disabilities. So my modification will be to work with school districts to target disability children and work with clinics in the community to set up a table to recruit. Also, by participating in workshops. Another one that was ranked number 4 was children are only released to a parent or legal guardian. My modification would be to create an emergency contact list and allow those individuals to pick up the children in case of an emergency. Make sure an ID is provided, and this will help parents and the center from calling CPS if the child is not picked up on time. In performance standards, 16% was cited in performance standards. So ensure no child is left alone or unsupervised by staff. And my modification will be always keep the classroom in ratio, always have 2 teachers in one classroom, and allow them to go to the restroom if necessary by sending someone for replacement. Thank you.